Welcome! The Ontario Landlord Basics course is a course for all landlords in Ontario who want to better protect their rental investment by learning the law. Being a landlord can be a rewarding experience, but you have to know the rules. Residential tenancies are heavily regulated. I don't think I know anyone who knows all of the rules, but from my experience as a paralegal in the industry, most of the problems that landlords run into could be better managed by learning the basics of the business. This course covers how to find tenants, how to start a tenancy, how to maintain a tenancy, and how to end a tenancy. This is just the basics. It doesn't cover everything. It's intended to get you started on the right foot by knowing your rights and responsibilities as a landlord and how to conduct business according to the rules right from the get-go. The goal is to find tenants who pay their rent, care for the property, and don't bother others. Seems simple, but it can be anything but. There are steps that can be taken to ensure that tenants are more likely to pay their rent on time, not damage the property, and to live peacefully. And to do this without landing in any legal hot water. What this course is not is how to get around the rules, how to shirk your responsibilities as a landlord, or how to shortchange tenants. I firmly believe that the landlord-tenant relationship is a two-way street. Working within the boundaries of the regulation is the way to protect your rental investment. Knowing your responsibilities as a landlord and ensuring that the business is done according to the rules will minimize your exposure to liability and provide a stable and scalable foundation for profitability. The focus is on providing the information that will best support your growing rental investment success. Well, this course is intended for most landlords. It does not cover mobile home parks, land lease communities, nonprofit co-ops, or social or geared to income housing. Housing is a human right. I believe that everyone deserves to have a place to live. But as a private enterprise, I also believe that landlords must be given the resources to make a profit. The way to the win-win is for landlords to be able to manage their investment intelligently. The bottom line is that there are people who need a place to rent and other people who need renters. It's in the melding of these two needs where prosperity lies. Tenants get a home and landlords get a stable return on investment. A win-win situation. This course is delivered as 4 main modules broken down into over 20 lessons. These lessons provide not only an overview of the rules, but provide an opportunity to practice and solidify the ideas. Practical tools are delivered through tips and templates that can be implemented immediately. For less than the cost of a consultation with a lawyer after the fact to fix a problem, this course offers the opportunity to proactively manage your business with the confidence of knowing the basics of Ontario rental law.